Welcome to the Points Diva channel. I'm Crystal, the Points Diva, and I'm all about taking my viewers to the edge of the world all on points and miles. In this video, I flew to Prague on Lufthansa business class using miles. Watch to the end to see how little I paid to fly this flight.
On to Washington, D.C., and I will be catching my business class flight to Frankfurt, Norway, and Prague. Off to Frankfurt and Prague. Fun fact, I used to live in Frankfurt, gosh, like 10 years ago? Yeah, 10 years ago I used to live in Frankfurt. So it'll be nice to go back and practice my Dutch. To Washington, D.C., and now I am in the United Airlines Club, and they also have a United Polaris Club, but Polaris is only for first class. But if you are flying business class, or if you have the United credit card that offers the annual club certificate, then you have access to this lounge. And it's pretty massive, so when you come in, don't just stay at the front part. There are a lot of different private rooms, so which is good because this place is packed. I am just having a little mimosa, which is pretty good, and some tacos, which I'm not going to show y'all because it doesn't look that appetizing on my plate, but it is pretty good. So I have a couple of hours here before I board, so I'm going to take it easy and catch up on some work, and yeah, I'll show you guys a tour.
The lounge offered a good selection of beverages, light bites, and desserts. Boeing 747-800 seats offers a 2-2-2 seat configuration, so you'll have a passenger sitting beside you with not much privacy. You are offered a warm towel before takeoff and a welcome beverage. The flight attendant came around to take our 4-course meal selection. They offered a meat, fish, and vegetarian options. The amenity kit was designed by Porsche Design. The men and women received the same bags. There were compression socks, dental kit, earplugs, and coverings for the earphones. Not many bells and whistles, but it was decent. Now let's discuss the amazing food. Now don't try to be too helpful and attempt to wrestle your tray table out. I accidentally spilled juice on my seat companion and I was so embarrassed, but she was really nice about it. Now for the first course, I had a slice of halibut on vegetable ceviche with arugula oil. It was really flavorful. For the main course, I ordered the pan-seared sea bass with basil pesto sauce, oyster mushrooms with asparagus and potatoes as a side. It was really, really good. I didn't leave a single bite on my plate. Now, for breakfast, after, about 4 hours of sleep in the lay flat, they came around to serve breakfast, and this was like Greek yogurt with tomatoes and cucumbers and fruit. I honestly only ate the fruit, and afterwards, it was time to pack up and deplane.
If you want access to airport lounges all around the world, here are my top 3 cards. Number 1, the American Express Platinum Card. You'll have access to their Centurion Lounge, their Priority Pass Lounge, their Delta Sky Club lounges when you're flying Delta, and a few others. You can also add up to 3 authorized users for $175 in addition to the $695 annual fee. My number 2 card is the Citi Advantage Executive World Elite MasterCard. With this card, you'll receive American Airlines Admirals Club membership. The highlight of this card is you get 2 additional people in. Basically, they can get their own card, and when they visit the lounge, they can invite 2 guests, into the lounge with them. I've given this card to my mom and my husband. The downside is you have to fly American to gain access to the lounge. The annual fee is also $450. Now, my number 3, my last card, is the Hilton American Express Business Card. You'll receive 10 free day passes annually to the Priority Pass Lounge. Visits after 10 are $27 each visit. The annual fee is only $95. You can't beat that.
Now, let's talk about how much I spent. The great great thing about Star Alliances are the numerous transfer options you have to fly with them. For this Lufthansa flight, I spent 63,000 Avianca miles and only $52 in taxes. You can transfer to Avianca with American Express membership rewards, Citi ThankYou rewards, and Capital One miles. You can also fly this same exact flight using 80,000 United Airlines miles and 70,000 Air Canada miles. These aren't bad redemptions for a 9-hour lay-flat business class seat on a top airline. I would definitely fly this airline again. Also, for the return flight, I flew Swiss Airlines business class flight. Check out that video to see how much I spent. Now, if you're in need of any type of consultation services for ward booking or just on how to get started on points and miles, you can reach out to me directly on my pointsdiva.com website and I will be more than happy to help you. Also, head over to my website for free tools on how to get started with points and miles. As always, thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and catch me on the next trip.